Hello, I'm Wayne Motts of the Gettysburg Foundation, coming to you on this Giving Tuesday for an urgent appeal on behalf of the Gettysburg National Military Park to preserve the Klingel Farmstead. Right behind me is the historic George Spangler Farm Field Hospital, and it's an excellent example of preservation work done by our friends at the Gettysburg Foundation. Similar to the Spangler Farm is the Klingel Farm Homestead, which is critical to telling the story of the Battle of Gettysburg. The Gettysburg National Military Park's critical area of need right now are preservation funds to help preserve this famous and significant Civil War structure. The Gettysburg Foundation is honored to assist the Gettysburg National Military Park in raising these critical funds to restore the Klingel Farmstead, which saw significant action on July 2nd and 3rd in the Battle of Gettysburg. As time is running out on this global day of giving, we've just learned of a $24,000 challenged fund. And your donations today will be matched dollar for dollar thanks to the generous donors of the Gettysburg Foundation, including our longtime friend and my friend, David Malgee of the Gettysburg Foundation. David decided to make his gift in honor of the boys who fought in and around the Klingel Farm property, and also in honor of the Klingel family who had to rebuild in the aftermath of the battle. I hope you can help us save the Klingel Farm Homestead. Your donations will be matched dollar for dollar up to $24,000, and we thank you in preserving Gettysburg.